Dear friends, on behalf of Naval NCC Unit and Boat Club of KTHM College, I welcome you all to the Student Induction Program. It gives me an immense pleasure to present the profile of Naval NCC Unit and Boat Club of KTHM College in the Student Induction Program. Friends, we at KTHM College believe that learning beyond classroom is equally important as the classroom interaction. Therefore, students are encouraged to participate in various co-curricular, extracurricular activities. The students are encouraged to enroll themselves in NCC wings such as Naval NCC, Army NCC, Girls NCC, as well as in different types of water sports. The Naval NCC unit of our college rests on a strong academic foundation blended with a modern approach that seeks to mold young men and women into successful role models. Our Naval NCC unit comes under one Maharashtra Naval Unit, Mumbai, which gives platform for senior college students to make their career in armed forces. In this student induction program, I will brief you about Naval NCC unit of KTHM College. NCC stands for National Cadet Corps. It is the youth wing of armed forces with its headquarters at New Delhi, India. It is open to all the students of college on voluntary basis. National Cadet Corps is a tri-services organization comprising the Army, Navy, Air Wing, engaged in grooming the youth of the country into disciplined and patriotic citizens. The National Cadet Corps in India is a voluntary organization which recruits cadets from high schools, higher secondary schools, colleges, and universities all over India. The cadets are given basic military training in small arms and parades. The NCC aims at developing character, comradeship, discipline, and a secular outlook, the spirit of adventure, and ideals of selfless service amongst young citizens. Further, it aims at creating a pool of organized, trained, and motivated youth with leadership qualities in all walks of life who will serve the nation regardless of which career they choose. Needless to say, the NCC also provides an environment conducive to motivating young Indians to join the armed forces. Aim of NCC is to create a human resource of organized, trained, and motivated youth, to provide leadership in all walks of life and be always available for the service of the nation, to provide a suitable environment to motivate the youth to take up a career in the armed forces, to develop character, comradeship, discipline, leadership, secular outlook, spirit of adventure, and ideals of selfless service amongst the youth of the country. Motto of NCC is unity and discipline. The eligibility criteria to join Naval NCC is as follows. He or she has to qualify entrance exam and physical test. He must be the citizen of India. He should be a good moral character. He should be the student of KTHM College. He should meet the prescribed medical standards. The age criteria for senior division, boys and girls, is up to 26 years. The enrollment period is of 3 years. Benefits of NCC. There are n number of benefits of NCC. To know more and in detail about it, please visit KTHM College website www.kthmcollege.ac.in. Now I will brief you about Boat Club. KTHM College is also proud to have a boat club, which is one of the unique facilities of the college. It is situated on the bank of Godavari River in a serene atmosphere which is ideally suited to excel in water sports. It was established in the year 1986. The boat club owns varieties of boats like training boats, rowing boats, canoe boats, pleasure boats, which can be used for various competitions besides regular practice. Students of our college have participated in national, state, and university level competitions and won various prizes in the competitions. This boat club is an active member of professional associations like Maharashtra Rowing Association, that is MRA, the Amateur Rowers Association ARAE, and Maharashtra Canoe Kayaking Association, that is MCA. The boat club, as it is known, is one of the favorite and beautiful spots for everyone in the college because the riverside ambience offers a majestic view of the Godavari River. The special achievements of Naval NCC and KTHM College. The Naval NCC unit and boat club have never ceased to provide students whose brilliance of merit is reflected not only by the consistent good results every year, but also from the fact that they have found their careers in various walks of life. It's a proud moment for KTHM College and Naval NCC unit that Cadet Manish Rokde and Cadet Radhika Bacha have represented Government of India, KTHM College and one Maharashtra Naval NCC unit through Youth Exchange Program at Bhutan. Selection of Cadet Bhavesh Kalamkar for Overseas Deployment Program, that is OSD, from Government of India was a feather in cap of KTHM College. He has visited Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Mozambique, Seychelles, Maldives, almost 5 countries under this OSD program. The Naval NCC unit and boat club have produced stalwarts in numerous fields such as administration, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, etc. These are just a few representatives of our long list of bright students. I appeal you all to avail these facilities and make most of it. I look forward to welcome you and wish you an unforgettably enriching experience with us. Thank you.